Hello friends, so it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia, and in today's video you are going to learn how to save your CorelDRAW in a very lower fashion, most especially if you are using a very higher version of CorelDRAW and you want to save the file and open in another PC or in another desktop, but unfortunately you are unable to open it because the another system you want to use to open the Corel file, they did not have the higher version that you used to make the design. So this is very much important to know how you can save your file in different fashion so that you'll be able to open it with any fashion or on any PC as far as they have coreldraw installed on the PC. So with that being said, so let's dive into tutorial and get started. But before I dive into tutorial, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please remember to click on the subscribe, turn on notification bell, so each time I post content about CorelDRAW, you'll be notified. So with that being said, so let's get started. The first thing first, before you can save your Corel into lower fashion, you make sure that you have already complete your design, just like what you see right here. So once you complete your design, next thing you want to do is to go to file. Then from here you have to go to save as. So this is going to pump up. Then you have to locate where you want to save the file. Then once you locate where you need to save the file, you have to come down below right here and then you see fashion. So this design was made with Corel 2022. So you are going to see different fashion of CorelDRAW that you can use to save your file. You can pick on any one that is but it is always advisable that you use the lower fashion so that you'll be able to open it in any of the Corel software. So in this regard, the lower version with Corel 2022 is Corel 17. So this simply means that before I can open this file in another PC, they must have Corel 2017 installed on the PC. So you have to locate where you need to save the folder. Then once you are able to locate where you need to save the folder, you click on save. Boom. So your Corel is going to save as a Corel 2017. So once you are able to do this, then you can be able to open the new file. You can be able to open the file with any other PC that have Corel 17 installed on their PC. If they don't have Corel 2022, they can still open the file without any stress. So this is what I have for you as far as how you can save your CorelDRAW file in a lower fashion. And the benefit of saving your CorelDRAW file in a lower fashion is just that it enables you to open the file with another PC, most especially if they do not have the fashion that you use to make your design. I hope this is really helpful. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial like this in CorelDRAW. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.
How it's supposed to feel.